be showing you how to make money with RDPs. Okay, so we're gonna get them for free and then we're gonna sell them for profit. You can get as many as you want with this method. I just gotta keep doing it over and over again. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go to Google and type in Azure portal login, right? Once you've done that, you'll click the first option. Okay, then you'll hit sign in, and then we're going to make a Microsoft account. As you can see here, you're going to create one. Okay, and then just put your email in. So mine's is, okay, you can just make a Gmail and then put that one in, and then a password. Okay, and then make up doesn't have to be real, and you can just use the UK or United States. Okay, right now it's gonna say verify. We're gonna check our email for the code. Okay, 6188. Hit next. Okay, now it's gonna ask us for some security bot check thingy. So let's just do that quickly. Correct. Let's see. Chain in a thingy. Yeah, you can just skip this part quickly if you want. Did I miss it? Boom. Okay, now once this completes, it's going to take us back to the dashboard. Okay, hit maybe later. And now what we're going to do is we go to virtual machines. Okay, just hover over it and then go create a Windows virtual machine. Okay, I'm going to hit start. Okay, scroll all the way down, hit continue, all the way down, continue again. Okay, now it's going to say this module Sandbox. What we're going to do is hit sign in to activate Sandbox. Okay, we have to put our account in. So, wait, what was the? I don't even know my own account, bro. Okay, so once you're done all those 7 steps, okay, it's gonna ask you for a few more steps and then you're gonna have to answer some questions. Once you're done, you come back to the portal, right? You refresh, okay, and then what you gotta do is you gotta sign out. So on the top right, sign out. Okay, now just wait. And refresh. Okay, then sign back in. And now we can go to virtual machines, create, and then hit Azure. And just wait a bit now. Okay, now it should say subscription, this thing here, resource group, and yeah, I should get this page. Now you're gonna just hit resource group, choose this one here. The virtual machine name can be anything. region West US. Image, you can choose Windows 10 or Windows 11, and if you go down, you put a username, just put your own one in, and then a password. I'm just going to put my password in. Let's try it again. Gotta be 12. Okay, 12. This will stay the same, and this one you're just gonna confirm. Okay, now it's gonna load. Okay, now we can just create it. Now it should say on the top left, initializing deployment. And then it's going to take us to a page where it says deployment is in progress. There we go. Okay, now you gotta basically just wait a few minutes. Okay, and then come back. I can see it says your deployment is complete. It took about 4 or 3 minutes, right? What we're gonna do is then hit connect. Okay, and then you're gonna download the RDP file. And open it. Okay, your username is the same one we put in earlier. Password is also the same one. Hit OK. Yes. Yeah, and basically we're done now. We have the RDP. Okay, as you can see, Windows 11 running. If you minimize, it'll take you back. Yeah, we're basically done. What you can do is you can go on Instagram, go on a marketplace, and you can sell the RDP. They sell for about $10 a month. So if you make 10, that's $100. So yeah, pretty simple. As you can see, there's a chair. This is about $30, $40. Yeah, it's that simple. Thank you guys for